Gani. Welcome to our university.
Hi, I'm Koswara.
Oh, Suara, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from, Suara?
I'm from Cikulur. How about you?
I'm from Rangkas Bitung.
Is this your first time in Serang?
No, I have been living in Serang for about 2 years now.
I see. Have you been staying here for all of that time?
Yes, this is my second year here, and I have got 1 more year to go.
What are you studying?